Let's make origami animals and find out interesting facts about them. Elephant. Elephants are the only mammal incapable of jumping. They can run up to 25 miles per hour, which is amazing for such a large creature. Elephants drink up to 160 liters of water a day and eat up to 50 tons of food each year. Elephants can spend up to 18 hours a day eating and grazing. Their trunks can suck and store about 2 gallons of water. Elephants can pick up sound vibrations from 50 miles away. It takes a female 22 months from conception to have a baby. This is longer than any other animal in the world. A newborn elephant can stand up shortly after being born. They can weigh up to 260 pounds. The average lifespan for an elephant in the wild is from 50 to 70 years. The oldest known elephant in the world lived to be 82 years of age. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth. A male giraffe is called a bull. Baby giraffes are called calves and females are called cows. Giraffes sleep only 5 to 30 minutes every day. Usually they stand up to sleep. They only lie down if another giraffe can stand watch. They can run up to 35 miles per hour and can go longer than a camel without water. These tall animals need a lot of food to keep them going. They eat up to 75 pounds of leaves every day. They love the leaves from acacia trees. These trees have long thorns, but giraffes can eat around the thorns. Giraffes can run up to 35 miles per hour. Zebra. Zebras are herbivores and almost feed exclusively on grass. They sleep standing up, but may sometimes sleep lying down while another zebra stands nearby as a sentinel. They belong to the horse family of animals. There are 3 species or types of zebra: the plain zebra, Grevy's zebra, and the mountain zebra. A group of zebras is called a dazzle. They are one of the few mammals that are believed to be able to see color, but they cannot see the color orange. The average lifespan of a zebra in wild is about 20 to 30 years. A zebra can run up to 65 kilometers per hour. They run in a zigzag pattern while being chased to make it difficult for predator to run after them. Lion. Lions usually live in groups of 10 or 15 animals called prides. An adult male's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. A female lion needs 5 kilograms of meat a day. A male needs 7 kilograms or more a day. The name for a baby lion is a cub, whelp, or lioness. In the wild, lions live for an average of 12 years and up to 16 years. They live up to 25 years in captivity. Lions run at a speed of up to 81 kilometers per hour. Lions hunt large animals such as zebra and wildebeest.